Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space. On the application of Remitly app, you will go to settings. In this first page, you will go to settings here. In this list, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Remitly app and you will click here. Then in this page of app, info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.